English you can live in. Spot the danger. Chest pain hits, I notice fast. Shortness of breath, I act steadfast. Face droops, arms weak, I call for aid. Stroke or heart attack, don't be delayed. Trauma shows with bleeding or pain, I check the scene and help sustain. Digital guides pop up on my phone, step-by-step alerts help me alone. Emergency services, I ring right away. Follow instructions till they say. Recognizing signs keeps people alive. Quick reaction makes hope survive. Answer the following questions. Well done! You did it! Compare your answers with the suggested ones.